Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Money Tuesday. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and let's get right into this video. Nail Addict sent me 6 gel polishes to try out, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the gel polishes. The first one is Rainforest Green, and this one is a green gel polish and has some metallic green flakes in them as well. It's so nice. This color would be perfect for the Christmas season. And my favorite gel polish is this one, which is called You're a Beauty, which is a light orange or yellowish color. I really do not know. I'm not good with colors, okay guys? Then we have Pinot Noir, which is a plum color with some fine gold flakes. Silver Addict, White Addict, and Sea Swing and Sun, which is this pretty beige gel polish. It's also a bit transparent. So I will be swatching the gel polishes on camera. I'm only doing one coat on camera, but in total I did about 3 layers, and these gel polishes are really nice and the consistency and quality is really good. Nail Addict has some really pretty colors on their website, so if you're interested, I have a 50% discount code if you use my code cheraelsymone. I will have a link to their website in the description below, so check it out if you're interested. So these are all of the gel polishes with the 3 coats and top coated. These are the colors I chose for today's manicure. Now these are the glitter leaves I'll be using. So when I purchased these on Amazon, I thought they looked like 4 leaves because I do have some 4 leaves, the ones that you're seeing right there in that small container. So I thought it looked the same, but it's totally different. I was so wrong. So I'm not sure if these are considered 4 leaves as well, but I will be using them and I will be saying that they are 4 leaves. So the tips I'm using today are Saviland full coverage tips. I start by applying my Nail Addict base coat to my natural nails and then I cure it for 30 seconds. So in today's video I'm doing the Femi Beauty Method, which is also known as the Lazy Girl Method, and I'll also be doing the A-Press dupe method as well. Next, using my Makartt clear polygel, I placed a small bead in the nail tip and placed it on my nail. As you can see, I've used this polygel a lot and I really like it. I also cleaned up the cuticle area with some rubbing alcohol. This is a really easy process, and what I like about it is that the nail tip stays where you put it. So I did all of the nails except the ring and thumbnail, and then I cured for 30 seconds. I also placed sunscreen on my hands off camera. I applied base and then I placed the glitter leaves in the nail, and then I applied some more base. I made sure to look at the nail from the other angle so that I can ensure there wasn't any bubbles in the nail, and if there were, I made sure to remove them as best as I could. I did have some bubbles. I removed a lot of bubbles, but I still ended up with about 2 or 3 bubbles in the nail. It wasn't even that noticeable, to be honest. Then I flash cured for 5 seconds, and also I preferred using these leaves instead of the bigger ones I had, because if I had used the bigger ones I would have gotten a lot more bubbles in the nail, because the nails are curved and the glitter is a bit wide, so it wouldn't be able to curve with the nail. However, these glitters are small, so it could fit on one side of the nail tip and it wouldn't take up as much space. So it's a good thing I purchased those instead. Now I'm using the clear polygel and the brown gel polish and mixing them together. I had to redo this because the mistake I made was applying way too much gel polish. It made the mixture too liquid, and then I applied it to the nail, so it wasn't looking good and it was just too much of liquid in the nail. It didn't lay well, and I could have seen the streaks in the nail because the gel started to separate from the polygel a little. It wasn't looking good, it just wasn't looking good. But I'm still going to show the process and how it looked. I'm not sure if y'all would be able to see it though, because I really couldn't tell when I was editing, so I'm not sure if y'all would be able to tell either. I mixed some more in order to fill up the nail a little more, but it was too late to actually save the nail because from the other side you could have seen it. It was not a good look, guys. It just wasn't. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification and click the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So I think the glitters were kind of hiding the streakiness. Plus I placed way too much product on the nail too, so this was a hot mess. And also this was not my first time doing the Femi Beauty method, so I don't know why I was doing this crap, but things happen. So I had to throw away the nail tip and start over again. Now this time you could see I'm only using the gel polish to add color, and I used more polygel this time around. The last time I tried to add equal parts polygel and equal parts gel, so it made it too liquid. Now I just added a few drops of the gel and more of the polygel. Then I applied it to the nail, and I'm using Nail Addict base as my slip solution. Sorry for the blurriness, I was moving around way too much and didn't realize. Then I placed it on my nail and I cleaned up the excess with some rubbing alcohol. I fixed the underside of the nail as well, but there wasn't much to fix. It was fine, and then I cured for 30 seconds. I also tried to do the same for my thumbnail using the yellowish gel polish, but I didn't really like it. This design required a nude or light background. This was just too much, I think. But comment below if you think I should have kept it or not. I really didn't like it. So I'm applying a nail tip to my thumb nail as well using the Polygel, and then I cured for 30 seconds. So this design was inspired by this picture right here, and it's funny because I picked out these colors since early September. It took a while, actually a whole month to arrive, so that's annoying, but whatever. And it's also because of the pandemic and things taking longer to reach me and whatever. I spoke about that in a video before, but this is not about that. So mid-September I saw this picture on Instagram and took a picture of it, not even thinking that I picked out colors exactly like it, because I really forgot the colors I chose. Got the colors and swatched them, thinking about a design to do, so I scrolled through my pictures on my phone and saw this picture and picked it out and said I want to do this nail design. Still didn't make the connection that the colors are the same until I actually decided to think through how I was going to do this nail design and realized it's the same colors. Oh my gosh. So I thought that was funny. Now I'm just shaping all of the nails again and ensuring that the cuticle area is neatly filed, and doing all those sorts of stuff. I also filed the surface of the nails a little bit. Then I'm applying the colors to the nails. I did 2 layers and cured in between layers for 30 seconds, and off camera I just decided to do another layer on each of the nails. It wasn't really necessary, but I just did it. I don't know why, I just decided to do it off camera. And these colors are so pretty, oh my goodness. As I said before, my favorite is the yellowish color, but I really love all of them. So I will let you guys watch my gel polish application and I will be back shortly. Also, I think this is the neatest gel polish application I have ever done on myself. To be honest, yeah, this is the neatest, because the cuticle area was looking so neat, so crisp. Everything was just looking amazing for this design. So yeah, I'm proud of myself. And I'm not talking about, okay, I do press-on nails and the press-on nails look good, but I'm talking about gel polish application directly on myself. This is the neatest I have ever done. I wanted to top coat the nails matte like the picture, so I did that and cured for 30 seconds. And this is what it looked like. I didn't like it, so I redid it shiny. So let me know which one you all prefer in the comments below. I probably needed a velvet matte type of top coat for it to look good. I do not know because I'm not sure if there's a huge difference between velvet matte and a regular matte top coat. So I wouldn't really know. I've never used a velvet matte. I should buy one though. Anyway, so this is a finished look. I really like how it came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.